the mold with the camera hole faces the left. The mold needs to be preheated for 10 minutes. Film placement, printing. The matte side is the front. The smooth side is the back. Please wait until the 3 indicator lights remain steadily lit. User order submission. Select phone model. Select image. Adjust position. Extend it beyond the red dash outline to ensure the design covers the edges of the phone case. Submission successful. Shop owner, printing, and transfers. Select order. Immediate printing. Desiccant box. Weight out 300s. Start production. Drawing inspection. Please do not touch the image in the center of the film to avoid affecting the transfer result. When placing the transfer film, please complete the operation within 10 seconds to avoid affecting the transfer effect. Transfer vacuum value, it must reach 80 kV or higher, otherwise it will be deemed non-compliant and must be remade. Precautions. Ensure there is no lifting or deformation and that it fits precisely against the mold. Printed side down, align the arrow on the film with the mold direction so that it points to the left. Please wear heat-resistant gloves to prevent burns. Lift the film to release the pressure, gently peeling off the film. This concludes the tutorial. Thank you.